Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Today we are doing a plan with me and we're gonna set up our monthly for October. So let's get, oh, I don't need to take this. I'm just gonna take the pages out. So for the monthly, I wanna do a combination of this sticker book from the Happy Planner, which is Beauty in Florals. And also I printed out this kit from the Planner Shack on Etsy, and I have all of this right here because I don't have a cutting machine. I have to keep them, I have to cut them by hand and keep them here, so it's a little, you know, it's a little bit more work, but until I get a machine, it's what I have to do. And here I have both the weekly and the monthly, so I'm gonna have to separate that. But I want to start with the flowers first. This is the monthly right here. So Wednesday. And this is, oh, it's going to cover everything. Okay. So we can do that. And this. Okay, I think this one's gonna be nice here. Let me wipe the line out, because we don't need it. Okay, I can still see the line a little bit, but it's not too bad. There you go. Now let's see, we need something here. I want the butterflies there. Let's see. I'm just gonna eyeball it here. Okay, so I made it into like a monthly box. All right, so that's good. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, so I just took a little piece of this washi, just the image of Victor and what's her name? Oh my gosh, the Corpse Bride. Do you remember her name? I forgot, but I know he's Victor, right? So I took the, oh no, this is not her. This is oh my goodness, I totally forgot the names. There you go. I went a little bit over. Let me see. So I just place, all right, so I just placed the sticker here. Now let's see what other things we can do. I have all of the numbers that I could add. It's gonna take me a while. Plus, are you ready? Oh yeah, I can still add it there. Okay, so let me add the numbers. Okay guys, so that was a nightmare. Next time I need to separate my numbers because I am missing number 2 and 28, and my battery is gonna die before I even find them. So I'll find them. Oh, this one, maybe. I'll find them once we're done with this, because I cannot keep looking, you guys. Oh, I found number 2. Let's see. Am I gonna be lucky and find the other one? Nope. Oh, all right, well, it's okay. We're just gonna miss one. But I need to find a better way to do this before I purchase a machine, which actually I saw on, I think Joanne has the Cricut number Air 2 or something like that for a good price. But I'm not gonna buy it right now. All right, so now I want to cover this right here, and let me add another flower somewhere here. It's a little too empty. Okay, I like that. So I'm thinking I need some washi to add to the spine. Look at all this new washi I have. So I'm sure we'll find something good here. Okay, we can do not the bows because they're gonna go the wrong direction. This moons would be good, right? The star, no, not pink. Oh, what about the pink moons? Maybe, or they're too cute. All right, so let's open this new washi and see what we can find. This pink, I feel like the color is gonna go through. Oh no, because this one, it has like sparkly stuff going through. I think the best one is gonna be this one. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Let's cut this. All right, so now let me cut it. There you go. Oh, that looks much better. Now I have to punch it. Okay, so I'm telling you, this punch is amazing. It's so good. Worth the money 10 times over. It makes everything so much easier. And I found the last number, you guys. So here it is. Let me see what else we can add from here. I was thinking of removing this. Let's add something else. What about this right here? Is this the same size? Yeah. Okay. It's just it doesn't have any sparkle. There you go. A little bit of sparkle there. Let's see what else we need. You know, we need something up here too. So let me get the 5mm washi and just add a little bit of shine up there. So now from this 4 rolls right here, we can add this stars, or we can add the moon. Let me see. And it has a little bit of pink. So I want to add this. Let's see. Oh, that's cute, cute, cute. Yep. Same thing on this side. Let me flip it over. Okay, I'm thinking we can do a little bit of washi down here. Let's do the same thing here. Okay, so let me repunch this real quick and we are finished. All right, so I think we're set. Let me move all this stuff out of the way. And this washi is from Simply Gilded. It's from the new box, Moon Drops, for the month of September. Let me add the pages to my planner. And now this pink discs don't really go with October. So I might change my cover and my disc. But I just wanted to use the new mist maker, and I feel like this pink with the mist maker looks really nice. But I might change it. Maybe I'll get the gray disc. I think that would be better. Or black. All right. Okay, you guys, so this is the place where I purchased this Halloween Corpse kit. That's the name. It's the Planner Shack on Etsy. And this is a printable kit. I really like this. And I used a couple of flowers from here and this washi from Simply Gilded. Super cute. And it has a little bit of pink hollow. I mean, everything matches real nice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.